have people that want to invest in America. I'm able to help them with their business plan. I'm able to help them to process the visas even in their country so that when they come into US, they have E2 visa or E1 visa, and they can stay on this visa for as long as they like, as long as the business is doing very well.
My name is Peter Lehman. I'm from Germany. Salomon helps me a lot with my E2 visa. He was trying to open up a business here, a restaurant in Chandler, and Salomon did all the paperwork. He helps me a lot, did the connection and the appointments with the embassy in Germany, and yeah, now I got my visa and the business is running good and I'm happy with Salomon.
So if this is an area of interest for you, that is what we do here, and we'll assure you that we can get you where you need to be.